In this video, we will go over the device features and some commonly used functionality to get you up to speed with your new phone. When you first set up your phone, take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the hardware and button locations. On the left is your handset, and on the right is your display screen and keypad. Next to the keypad, you'll see some additional buttons for quick access to different features of the device, such as your navigational arrow keys, and menu, mute, headset, speakerphone, and hold buttons. The navigation pad up and down arrow keys are also used as a volume control. Using these buttons while the device is idle will adjust the ring volume. Using the buttons while on a call will adjust the volume for the medium you're using, via handset, headset, or speakerphone. The display screen is your main source of information from the device. When the display is idle, you will see the time and date, your line key and soft key options, as well as feature notifications like voicemail and missed calls. The buttons at the bottom of the screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the current activity of the phone. When idle, you have direct access to features like voicemail and your contact and history lists. You can press the More soft key to access additional options like redial, account selection for dialing out, Do Not Disturb, call forwarding, and answer soft keys. The buttons in the middle of your screen are your line keys. These keys can be configured to add additional lines to use with your main extension, assign busy lamp field or remote line keys for other extensions, and even allows you to assign call feature keys like call park or log in and log out keys for hunt groups. To dial an outbound call, enter a phone number from the dial pad and pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call information such as the dialed number and call duration will be visible on the screen, and you will have access to additional soft key options while in your conversation. While on a call, you can start a separate call by placing the current caller on hold, dialing the number for your second call, and pressing the dial soft key. You can swap between your calls by pressing the swap soft key, or by pressing the originating line key. To answer an incoming call, simply pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start the call on your preferred medium. Again, call information like the caller ID and duration are made available on the screen, as well as additional soft key options for your conversation. To answer a call waiting, press the swap soft key or press the blinking line key. This will automatically place the first caller on hold and answer the new call. You can return to the first caller by pressing the swap soft key or pressing the blinking line key. While on a call, you can place a caller on hold by pressing the hold button. The call is immediately placed on hold and displays the hold icon on the active line key. To pick the call back up, you can press the resume soft key, hold button, or just press the blinking line key. A warm or attended transfer allows you to consult with the party to which you are sending the call to before completing the transfer. At the bottom of the screen, press the transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you wish to transfer the call to, and press the dial soft key, then wait for the party to answer the call. After your deliberations, you can complete the transfer by pressing the transfer key again, or simply hanging up your phone, and the call will immediately be connected to your second party. A blind transfer allows you to immediately transfer a call to another number or extension. While on a call, press the transfer soft key to place the caller on hold. Press the blind transfer soft key, then dial the number you wish to transfer to, and press the dial soft key or hang up your phone, and the call will immediately be transferred to the second party. Conference calls allow you to merge two active calls together, granting a three-party call. While on a call, press the conference soft key. The initial party is placed on hold. Dial the new number or extension, and wait for the new party to answer the call. Finally, press the conference soft key to merge the two calls. You can use the additional soft key options to manage the conference call. Press the split soft key to split the callers from the conference and place both callers on separate holds. Press the arrow soft key and press the park soft key to park the conference, or the call flip soft key to flip the conference back to your extension. You can end the conference call by pressing the end call soft key. If a caller needs to hold for a user that is not currently at their desk or is near a different device, you can easily park the call to allow them to pick it up from any device on the account. Press the arrow soft key to access the second page of soft key options and press the call park soft key. Or, if you have a line key configured as a park button, you can simply press the line key. The call is dropped from your device while being placed on hold, and an automated voice prompt will inform you of the extension number the caller was parked on.
Call parked on extension 9980.
Now, any user can simply dial the park extension number to immediately pick the call up on their device. Alternatively, if a monitor park line key is configured on the device, you will see the line key button blink, indicating a call is holding on the parked extension configured. Simply press the button to immediately pick up the call. If you need to move a call to a different device in your user account, you can use the call flip feature to transfer the call back to your extension. Press the arrow soft key to access the second page of soft key options, and press the call flip soft key. The call is immediately disconnected from this device and will be ringing on any other devices you have provisioned to your user account. The call history stores records of all calls made and received to this device. To access the call history, press the call history soft key from the idle screen. You can sort the calls by pressing the left or right navigational arrows to sort through all, missed, incoming, and outgoing calls. You can redial any number from the list by selecting the entry, then pressing the dial soft key. You can also select the option soft key to add the entry to your personal directory. To access the directory, press the contact list soft key from your idle screen. You can browse through your contact list or use the search soft key to search by name. You can also select the option soft key to add new entries at any time. To enable Do Not Disturb and send callers directly to voicemail, select the arrow soft key 2 times to access the third page of soft key options. Then press the Do Not Disturb soft key. The Do Not Disturb icon will appear on the display to indicate your phone is not accepting calls. You can press the button again to turn off Do Not Disturb. You can access call forwarding from your device at any time by using the arrow soft key to navigate to the third page of soft key options and pressing the forward soft key. Select account 1 for the account associated with your main extension number provisioned to the phone. You have 3 options. Forward immediately will forward all calls directly to the number you entered. Forward when busy will forward any missed calls while using your phone to the number entered. By default, missed calls while on a call will be sent to your voicemail box. Forward after any time allows you to forward all calls to the number entered after your specified time. If you set any of these forwarding options, remember you must come back to the forwarding settings to clear forwarding if you wish to turn off your call forwarding options. When a caller leaves a voicemail, you will see a voicemail icon appear at the top left of the display, and the large LED at the top of the phone will light up. You can press the voicemail soft key to immediately dial out to your voicemail box and enter your PIN to manage your messages and outgoing greetings. Thanks for watching.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC